So this really happened. This morning on this phone, I got a call, right? Now, I didn't pick it up. What happened is that it rung, and then there was some sort of answering machine. Someone else in the house picked it up, and then they gave it to me because it was BT, right? My name on the bill. Hello? Oh, hello, sir. This is someone from BT. Can you please... I said, sorry, mate. I'm already getting my internet from someone else apart from BT, and we're in contract for a while. So I'm sorry, I don't think it's any use for you. He said, no, I don't want to speak to you about internet. I wanted to tell you that your line will be disconnected in 24 hours. And I thought, I've been watching this stuff on BBC about these call centers calling, right? So just with that in mind, I went, no way! Please tell me, how much do I need to pay you to avoid this disconnection? And I think the guy was a bit surprised. He says, sir, you pay 400,000 pounds. And then click, he basically cut the phone off, right? So it's very, very interesting. It sounds crazy and it's a little bit funny, and I haven't really had it happen to me on that level where it was so obvious that, oh, your line's going to get disconnected by BT and this and that. And maybe I should have played it out more and heard it. But the truth is that some people do actually get done by this scam, where, especially a lot of the people who are very trusting, nice people, the older generation sometimes, they actually fall for it, and they think that they have to pay someone over the phone. And it's very, very, very sad to see this, actually, because I wouldn't blame them. I think it's very, very natural and normal for you to trust when BT calls or someone calls and stuff, but it's just interesting that there's people out there who are going there trying to deceive others, trying to kind of do that. But the reason why it's very interesting for me is because, in marketing, we're trying to build trust. We're trying to, provide value. And what these guys are able to do is actually build that trust with someone, so much so that they're willing to give you money or their credit card details or something to avoid a pain, right? And it's because they put that pain in front of you that, look, any minute now, basically your phone's going to get disconnected, and you're thinking, I don't want my phone to get disconnected, my internet, my everything, so for that reason, people will pay them money, and it just shows, if you threaten someone with something, it will change their behavior, and so it's just a reminder for you guys to let you know that, look, there's people out there who are calling in who are actually trying to defraud you. So make sure you don't give any information away. Make sure that you verify people. The best thing to do is actually to hang up if you think it's dodgy, and Google their number, call the actual number, and then speak to them like that. Don't ever give personal details out. Don't ever share even basic information like date of birth or anything like that. Don't verify anything with people calling you, calling landlines, even mobile numbers. There's so much data out there. So anyway, stay safe and see you soon.